Grok is no longer free, no wahala. Come here, make I teach you how to generate AI video for free.
Hello guys, welcome to Beloved Technology. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can generate AI video for free, even without Grok. So you generate it for free, and you can even generate up to 15 video per day, more than that self. So now, the tools you only need is your Chrome browser. Any browser will work, but Chrome browser is recommended. So you click on the Chrome browser on your phone, and once you have clicked on the Chrome browser, you come to the search box here and you type Flow AI, Flow AI, FLOW AI. So the first result is usually the flow you are looking for. But just for you to understand, Google Flow AI is owned by Google, and Flow AI is part of Google Labs tools, or let me just say Google Lab AI, because in Google Labs we have different kinds of AI tools there. So but one of it is called Flow. So in this Flow, this is where you can generate AI video for free. So you click on the Flow, and once you click on the Flow, you only need an email address to log in and use Flow. So once you have clicked on Flow, you click on Create with Flow. So after clicking on Create with Flow, you are going to wait for a little bit for it to load. Then once it's loaded, it's going to ask you to log in with an email. So if you are using an Android phone, naturally you will have an email address working on your phone. So now for me, I'll be choosing this last one because it is a new email. I want to teach you afresh. Last one is this email. I'll click on it. So that's how it's going to pop up for you at first use. It's going to pop you up to log in with an email address. So just click on that email address you want to use, and then you click on Create with Flow again. Now that you are logged in with an email address, you click on Create with Flow. So this time you click on Create with Flow, is going to take you into the lab. So sometimes you can ask you some certain questions, like for you to make an agreement, and okay, this is what I'm talking about. So you mark the first one and you mark the second one. So, and you can just decide to leave it without marking, and then you click on Next. So once you click on Next, you have to scroll. You scroll here, you scroll down to the bottom, and then you will now see Continue. Then you click on Continue. It's just to accept an agreement. So after accepting the agreement, the next step, but before we go, I want you to note something at the top right corner, which is the icon that shows your profile. So you click on it, and then you will see the credits given to you for free. So the credit given to you for free is 150 AI credit. With this 150 AI credit, you can generate 15 free video in a day. And the funniest part is that this AI credit will refresh every day, which means after using today, you will still get another free AI credit tomorrow to generate another free video. So I don't know, I don't think you can generate up to 15 video in Grok. Though you can generate a lot of video on Grok, but it used to have limits. So the same thing goes with Vio, but only that Vio will give you a dedicated credit, so you can be able to calculate the amount of video you want to generate. So 150 AI credit is enough to do your creativity per day. So then you click, let me cancel this place. You can upgrade, you understand? And if you feel like upgrading, you can chat me or DM me. We'll talk about that later. So once you are here in the app, you click on New Project. So you click on New Project. So once you click on New Project, it's going to bring you straight to this place. So this is where you are going to carry out your creativity idea and generate your AI video. But before we continue, let me enlighten you. So if you have any video in mind, you can just come to this box and then you type the video you want to generate. Do you understand? So for instance, you can say generate, you can say free. Now before we continue, before I click on the next arrow, before I click on this arrow and send this prompt, I would like to copy it because I will still later use it again. I know you may be wondering prompt. Yes, I can teach you prompt engineering. I even have a tutorial that you can search. You can check this YouTube channel on how you can be the master of your own prompt. And I'll also release another tutorial on how you can be a master of your own prompt in the aspect of video generation. So now that I've done that, I need to close this place. I'm sorry. Let me copy again so that I can reuse it again. Now I can teach you how you can be the master of your prompt. Prompt engineering is what you need. Now before you click on this arrow, check this place here. You click on this place here. Now so you click on this video. Once you click on this video, you switch from image to video. So once you switch from image to video, you choose ingredient. I'll talk about that later, about the difference between frame and ingredient. So just choose ingredient. So after choosing ingredient, you can then click on the orientation of your video. Do you want it in landscape or do you want it in portrait? So I'll be choosing portrait, and I will be choosing ×1. ×1 means, do you want to generate one variant or two variant or three variant? This simply means if you send this prompt now, it's going to generate 3 different video for you. But in our case, I don't want 3 different video. I only need 1. So I will leave it at 1 ×1. Because if you choose ×2, your AI credit will increase. So I'm going to choose ×1. And then the last part, which is this part of the quality of your video. If you choose light will cost you 10 credit. If you choose fast will cost you 20 credit. And if you choose quality will cost you 100 AI credit. And I would prefer to use light because I want to generate a lot of video today. And don't be scared. When light quality, they make no difference. If you choose light, you will still generate a quality video. You are going to see it like the intro you saw. The intro you saw was generated using the light, which is 10 AI credit. Is it not good? So that is that about that. So, and then I'm going to, after you are done, you can then send the prompt using this arrow button here. So I'm going to send the prompt, and all right, our video is ready. So let's play the video and see how it is. So as you can see, do you see the video generated? Is it quality? Is it good? Of course it is good. So that's that about that. And the funniest part, there's a lot of things here. This tutorial is just to teach you how you can generate AI video for free. Though I wish to teach you more, like we have so many features here: extend, insert, remove, camera, and all the stuff. So we are going to be talking about that. So we are going to be talking about that later in the next tutorial. So after you are done generating, you can just click on this arrow at this side here, and then you click on it. So it allows you to generate in 720 pixel or 270 pixel. So that is just the quality of your video. So you can click on 720 and then it's going to download. And now that you have downloaded your video, you have it on your phone, you can watch it. Let me go to my download here and confirm if they are actually downloaded. So I'm going to click on it and play. Let me play it. This is on my phone. So that's about that. Now let's go back to the second thing I would like to show you on view as I round up this class. So the second thing, after generating your video, you can just come to this place here. Now if you want to generate a video using an image, now let's say you want to generate a video using an image, you just come to this, you can just click on this plus button here and then you upload your image. So the first time it will be asking you for the notice of using AI features, so then you just click on I agree. So after clicking on I agree, it will allow you to import your image. So I will now click on this place here and then I'm going to click on this my very image here. So this is my image and it's going to be uploading. You have to wait for the uploading to complete 100%. So after the upload is completed, now while it's uploading, let me paste that prompt. That same prompt I used to generate this one, I'm going to paste it now. I'm going to paste it now. So I'm going to say, using this image, that's the only thing I changed there. Using this image, generate a video of a Nigeria tech guy guru speaking in Nigeria accent. Okay, now so I'm waiting for it to upload. It's still now that it's uploaded and displayed, we can now, the same settings we have applied is already there. Video ingredient 9:16, 1 light and so on. So I'm going to send it now. So that if you want to generate video from image, that is how you generate it. You just import straight. You import it straight and it's going to generate. That is why it's an ingredient. Ingredient allows you to import multiple images into this box here. And once you have import them into this place, you can instruct AI on what to do and it's going to get it done for you. So our video is done. Let me now open it here. Okay, play. So as you can see, that is that about that. So I'm going to download it also in 720 pixel. So just for the sake of many of us who are curious about how to use this extend, so once you are here, it allows you to do many things. So I will be talking about extending. So you just come to this box here. Now that he has finished talking, you can just say let him continue, let him continue. So and then I'm going to send it. So let's see how it's going to work now. So that is that about that. So once you are done, you can click on the download button and then you can decide to download the first or second clip if you like, and you can download the full video in 720 pixel or in zip file. So once you have clicked on the full video, it's going to load and download. So that is that on how you can generate AI video for free. So in the next class, I will be teaching you some other things to do with AI tools. As you all know, I'll teach you how you can create movies using AI video and how you can create content using AI video as well, because there's a difference between content creation and then creating a movie with AI tools. So thank you very much for visiting us here in Beloved. Thank you for watching. So before we go, I want to show you my AI credits that is remaining, so you can know. Today we generated 3 video. If you recall it, is it 3 or 4? We generated 4 video if you remember. So when I come here and I check, clicking on that, I have 120 AI credits left. So that is that about that. That is that about that. Okay, I generated 3 video. That means I generated 3 video. So if I continue, I will generate 15 video today if I want to. So that's that about AI video generation for free using Flow AI. And don't forget, Flow does not have an application. You can only do it using browser. So thank you once again for watching. My name is Paul Victor and this is Beloved Technology. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video and share. Thank you.